Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss HCF, highest common factor in mathematics. Before that, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's get started. We will take factors of 72 and 108. So first one 72 now. Factors of 72 we will take. Then one easy method is there. When it is difficult to know if there is 72 in 2's table. So one easy method is there. If in 1's place 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 is there, it is divisible by 2. So in 1's place it is 2. So we can take 2. So we will divide 72 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1, 2, down. Okay. Next, how many 2s are 12? Okay. So 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Okay. We got 36. 2 36 are 72, like that. Okay. Next 36. 6 is there in 2's table, so we can take 2 itself. 36 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 6. Next, 8 2s are 16. 16 is there in 2's table. 16 minus 16, 0. 18 we got. 2 18s are 36. Next 18. This we don't want to do division. We know no. 2 9s are 18. Next 9. We took 2 in 3 these 3 numbers, but this number we will take 3 because in 2's table 9 is not there. So we will take next number 3. In 3's table 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next 3k. So we will write 3 1. One rule is there. After doing this, last we should get 1. Okay. Now we will take factors of 108. 108. Okay. In previous number we will take no that rule only. In 1's place 0 2 4 6 8 is there. So here 8 is there. So we can take 2. 2. So now we will do division. 108 divided by 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 minus 0, 1. No, 10. Okay. Then 8 down. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So we got 54. So 2 54s are 108. So now we got 54. Okay. So here 4 is there. So we can do it with 2. 2 divided by 54. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 down. Okay. 7 2s are 14. 0 0. We got 27. 2 27. 2 27s are 54. Now 27. So 20 in 2's table 7 is not there. So we will take next number 3. We know 3 9s are 27. 9 came. So we can do it with 3 itself. 3 3s are 9. 3 1. To find the HCF, we will look the two numbers common factors. So we can look, okay. Here 2 is there. 2 2s. 2 2s. We will mark, okay. Yeah. Here also 2 2s are there. But here is not there. It's different, no? 2 and 3. We will not mark. Now 3 3. Okay, you can mark here also 3 3. Yeah. These are the common factors. So we can write, okay. Equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 3 36. Yeah, we got the HCF. I think you understood how to find HCF. Everyone, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So we'll come in the next video. Bye.